Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your beach and boating forecast for both Wednesday and Thursday. Bottom line, we have a coastal storm, a nor'easter. It's on the way for Thursday, and certainly a high impact storm in terms of conditions on the offshore waters and the bay. Let's first start with wind. This is sustained wind in miles per hour. And we'll start things off Wednesday morning at 5 a.m. We got a general northeast wind, nothing too significant, but it does pick up a bit later in the morning at around 10 to 15, and at times up to 20 miles per hour just offshore. Move ahead to Wednesday afternoon. Still an east-northeast wind on the order of 10 to 15, occasionally 20 miles per hour. And then here we are at 5 o'clock in the evening, generally east-northeast and around 10 to 15. And again, getting close to 20 miles per hour in some of these areas of yellow offshore. And notice the winds later Wednesday night really ramping up. Here we go. This is a storm day. Right now we have a Gale Watch for Thursday, but more than likely this will get upgraded to a gale warning. And you can see those deep red colors indicating. Now these are sustained winds. They're not gusts, but we're getting some sustained winds up to 30 on Block Island, towards the Elizabeth Islands, Point Judith. So it may be interrupting some ferry services as well. So move ahead to Thursday afternoon at about 1, 2 o'clock. Still with that northeast wind, sustained anywhere from 20, 25, and at times even 30, 35 miles per hour. And gusts higher. We do anticipate gusts along the coast on Thursday, anywhere from 45 to perhaps near 50 miles per hour, along with very heavy rain and certainly poor visibility. Move ahead now to looking at Thursday evening at about 5 o'clock. Very heavy rain at this time, still with that northeast wind at 15 to 25, even 30, 35 miles per hour. And here we are through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock. A bay forecast for Wednesday, wind not an issue, northeast 10 to 15. Mainly dry. There'll be some showers and sprinkles later in the afternoon. Visibility may get reduced to 1 to 3 miles by late day, but certainly Wednesday is not a stormy day. Beaches, not great for a couple of reasons. Well, for starters, we're going to be unseasonably cool over the next couple of days. We should be about 70 this time of year. Cloudy, some sprinkles and light showers later in the day. Temperature only at 57, surf running at about 2 to 4 feet. Rip current risk is low. Bay forecast, Gale Watch for Thursday, more than likely transitioning to a gale warning. Heavy rain, windy, northeast 15 to 20 sustained, gusts to 35 knots. Waves like generally 2 to 4 feet within the bay itself. You get towards the mouth of the bay, like kind of 3 to 6 feet at the bay entrance. Of course, visibility will be poor, and the beaches, obviously, it is not a beach day by any means. Heavy rain and wind, raw and chilly in the upper 50s. Water temps running at about 55. Surf at 6 to 9 feet, along with a moderate rip current risk, and along with that heavy rain. So bottom line, Wednesday, it's kind of a so-so day. Nothing overly stormy, but a different story on Thursday as a coastal storm intensifies and passes just offshore.